What is the Kibo Code? Long story short, it is an 8-week training program that shows you how to make money online through a unique e-commerce method. It's different than other e-commerce strategies in many ways, but my favorite part is that it's a lot easier and faster to implement than the others, even without previous online business experience. The Kibo Code is actually based upon the model a famous offline store in Tokyo uses to make insane amounts of money every year selling just about every type of product you could imagine. What they do is fill their store up with different types of products, determine what is selling the most, and put the top selling products in more visible places. Then, they remove what doesn't sell while continuing to add new products and optimize others. The entire system is designed to maximize conversions and increase profits. Truly, this is an awesome strategy that's not difficult at all to do from an online store. Pretty much anyone can earn money online from this technique. Obviously there's a bit more to it, but that's the basis of the system. Creators Aidan and Steve Clayton, the guys behind several of the most successful internet marketing courses in the past decade, say this about the Kibo Code. This is without a doubt the easiest to understand, simplest, most predictable and most highly profitable business model we have ever taught. It really is e-commerce done differently in a way that people have not seen before. Not only do we have millions of dollars of in-house earnings as proof, we also have loads of absolutely incredible testimonials from students who are currently crushing it with this model. With this method, you don't need to involve Amazon, you don't need to deal with warehouses or foreign suppliers, and you don't need to run Facebook ads or worry about inventory, brand building, copywriting, or website creation. In other words, this business model essentially eliminates all of the most common objections. This is how the Kibo Code system works. Get a high-quality, brandable, aged domain name. You are given access to a tool that will find these for you inside the Kibo Code membership. Set up an online store with a proven theme offering high conversion rates. This only takes a couple of minutes with their system. Find profitable products using the software. You are given a selection of roughly 3 million items. Load up the site, store with the product listings. Again, super simple with the provided tools. Send traffic to the product listings. Use the instant, cheap, and vastly untapped methods they give you. Make sales, and have USA-based suppliers dropship the products to the customers for you. Never touch any of the inventory or buy anything in advance. You will also learn how to optimize the products, keep them profitable, and eliminate the ones that aren't doing well while simultaneously increasing profits. From this you will be able to continue scaling up. Rinse and repeat to replicate the process over and over again. Of course, this is the basic overview of the Kibo Code. There are some additional elements to it. However, it's pretty much that simple to do once you get the system running. Once you are a customer of the Kibo Code program, you are going to receive everything you need: training, software, proven storefronts, product pages, databases, tools, control center, coaching, support, community, and a lot more to make earning money online about as easy as it can possibly be. Let's see more details below this video for free training with Aidan, how Kibo Code works and more. If you have any value from this video, please like this video. Make a comment if you have any question about Kibo Code. Thanks for watching this video.